Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the bright, fruity world of sangria, just in time for summer. We've curated a top 10 list of amazing summer sangria recipes that you must try. So let's get started. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting content. Links to all the detailed recipes are available on our website. Find the link in the description for this video. First up, we have the Summer Berry Sangria. This refreshing drink is the perfect blend of Moscato wine, Blanco tequila, fresh summer berries, and strawberry nectar. It's not just a drink, it's a celebration of summertime in a glass. Next on our list is the delicious Strawberry Sangria. This recipe requires a crisp white wine, a club soda, fresh strawberries, and a hint of mint. It's the perfect accompaniment to a summer barbecue. Third, we have the classic Red Sangria, a timeless combination of robust red wine, brandy, orange juice, and a medley of fruit. It's a party favorite that never goes out of style. Coming in at number 4 is the thirst-quenching Watermelon Sangria. It combines white wine, fresh watermelon juice, lime, and vodka. It's as refreshing as a dip in the pool. Fifth on our list is the elegant Peach Rosé Sangria, infused with peach nectar, a dash of peach brandy, and crisp rosé wine. It's a sophisticated twist on a classic. Next up is Summer Rosé Sangria. This recipe uses rosé wine, a mix of summer berries, a splash of Grand Marnier, brandy, and pomegranate juice. It's a vibrant and tangy treat for your taste buds. Seventh on our list is the versatile White Wine Sangria. It pairs well with almost anything. Light white wine, orange liqueur, a variety of fresh fruits, and a touch of lemon-lime soda make it a hit at any gathering. Coming in at number 8 is the exotic Strawberry Mango Sangria. This tropical delight blends white wine, fresh strawberries, juicy mangoes, and a splash of coconut rum. It's a tropical vacation in a glass. Ninth on our list is the rich and tantalizing Blackberry Sangria. Made with red wine, fresh blackberries, a hint of brandy, and a sprinkle of sugar. It's a delectable twist on the traditional. And finally, we have the tropical Pina Colada Sangria. This festive recipe combines white wine, coconut rum, pineapple juice, and a dash of cream of coconut. It's a beach party waiting to happen. And there you have it, our top 10 must-try summer sangria recipes. Each one is sure to add a splash of sunshine to your next get-together. Remember, the key to a great sangria is to let it sit in the refrigerator for a few hours, or overnight if possible, to let the flavors melt together. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more fun and exciting content. Until next time, keep the sangria flowing and the good times rolling. Cheers to a fantastic summer.